it is necessary to use a huge amount of data of a very different nature to provide quick and valid solutions for all people.
Data, if we look at the etymology of the word, it comes from the plural of datum, which in Latin means what is given. We give many data along our lives that can be understood and analyzed to get better information about what we are and about the processes of life and health and industry and whatever we need. So data is really important, and it's something that has been with us forever.
Natural language processing helps computers to understand and process natural language, Spanish, English, in the way human does. It's used everywhere in every application that we use daily. For example, it's used in the grammar correct, in the Google search or all the search engines.
You need to make sure that the business problem you are going to solve really provides value to the business in order to then move on to build appropriate data or gather important data, then analyze that data, build whatever model you want to build, and then flow on into the deployment process. But always there needs to be this feedback loop between the machine learning research and the deployment process and the business understanding, so as to make sure that every model that we build really provide value to the business.